This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Word with a document open and focus on the ribbon area. Right-click any ribbon tab or the Quick Access toolbar to access Customize options. This is where you add features. Once done, choose Customize the ribbon or Customize Quick Access toolbar, depending on where you want the icon. You need enough permissions, so if a corporate setting blocks edits, sign in with an account that can change settings. This gets you immediately to the control panel for adding the icons command. You now pick the target. Either add icons to a ribbon group under Insert or place it on the Quick Access toolbar for one-click access. Once selected, change the command list to all commands so you can find icons quickly. Then click Add to move it into your chosen group. Prioritize a prominent spot so you don't hunt for it later. After adding, use Rename if you prefer a different label or icon size. This configures Word to show the icon when you need it. You finish by clicking OK to apply and close the customization dialog, then verify the new icon appears where you placed it. Once done, open Insert and use icons or click the QAT icon to test. If it doesn't show, close and restart Word to force the UI refresh. If restarting fails, make sure no group policy or add-in blocks customization. Check settings or contact IT for elevated rights. This finalizes the chain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.